Coming in. You getting ready? Get ready.
Kill love you.
5 a.m. 5 a.m. 4 a.m. My neighbor's got a Christmas thing going. Pasha showed up. Pasha, you ready?
Yep.
We're going bird hunting. Waiting for one more guy. The last guy showed up. It's my nephew Isaac. What's up? When did you grow a mustache? Alright boys, you ready to go? Oh man, Pasha's eating a sandwich in the morning. Oh man. Nie, it's gonna be so bad burps. Перехачка буде. So let's go. Got all our stuff. Pasha packed like for a weekend. We're going for a couple hours. All right. There we go. So we're going hunting. And then for Goose, and this homie shows up. Oh my goodness, Isaac. I've never seen anyone hunt in orange before. Alright, gotta get my thermos. Bosh, is your thermos full? Alright. Let's go. Fill up my Stanley Cup. It's got to be one of my favorite gas stations. Who's getting money? There's all kinds of goodies. All right. Kind of Brazilian rich. Gotta go back. Forgot we can get me a Blue Mountain Dew. It's 4 in the morning. These dudes are at Hardee's. You guys getting burgers?
Yeah.
What'd you get? What kind of food?
You got the edible one.
Man. Hardee's at 4 in the morning. Nice. We're just filled up. Got some snacks. We got about another hour to drive somewhere near Fergus Falls, Minnesota. Hopefully shoot some geese today. So we'll see. This dude is literally under the impression that we have never shot a gun before. So this is gonna be interesting. But I guess we're heading out to the field. Well, there's one pond. There's another pond. Hopefully we we kill some birds, but we'll see. We're following these homies to some random field. Should have brought a rifle. Look at all these ridges. You see a nice buck standing somewhere. Just hit him with my car. Still got an unfilled tag. There's like 3 cars, a bunch of trailers. Dylan and Donnie are the ones that are taking. Oh, all the decoys are out already. That's a tough. You should just plow through them. They're real. Just go into a pit. All right, we're here. Let's go get some directions from these guys. See what we need to do. Do we get out or do we just? Everyone's getting out. All right, all the decoys are out. Got the trailers. We got a dog too, huh? All right, so what do we just unload here?
Yep, if you want to grab your stuff, we'll show you where the pit is.
All right. How many of the guys are going to be with us?
There'll be 11 total.
11 total?
Yep.
Nice.
2 guides and then 5 of you and 4. Yeah, 5 of you and 4 guys.
Nice. Oh, it's getting windy. How warm is it in there?
We got heaters, so
Is it like sweater warm or jackets are
I
preferred?
mean, I'd still at least bring a jacket.
All right. All right. Forgot my thermos.
Look at this guy.
All right. I'm right here in this manhole. All right.
Hop in.
Yeah. I brought earmuffs. You boys got your money?
Trunk shake up.
Yeah.
How much is it?
Here's our pit. Ruben, move for a second. Isaac, Basha, boys are in, and they call it boom, and you're right in the field. Other manholes. Right there. Getting ready. Get ready.
Kill love you. Love you.
All right. Geese on the right.
Over there. 4.
There's geese right there. We got to pick up our dead birds. How was it, Ruben? We already shot at 2 groups. Yeah, that was the second group.
No, it's the same one.
Was that the same group that circled and came back?
Yeah. Yep. Retards.
Dude, this is awesome.
Oh yeah, bud. Right here. Choking us better. Come on.
I start remembering that I need to aim at my 3rd shot.
Never. Choking us better. Never.
This is awesome. Got the guys over there. Some dead birds right there.
Come on.
Start picking up your brass.
Here.
Pick up your brass because it shines. We weren't here, what? We weren't here 30 minutes?
Yeah. Hell yeah, boys. They didn't know where they wanted to sit. They were sitting like this.
Dude, they're like, we weren't here, what, 30 minutes and they started coming in.
Oh yeah.
That was, where'd he go? Chase that other one down?
Yeah, he's chasing the other one down.
Is it alive?
I think so. That one on that side just landed.
Oh.
You guys missed that though.
Yeah. Oh, there's one more. That one tried to run away. We got that one.
wild. That was wild.
That was,
I don't think they got one.
I don't know.
There might be one more down there, but I could not find it.
do you guys do snow geese?
No, we have one of our guides, Ben, does though.
I think that'd probably be the next hunt I want to try. That's in South Dakota though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we'll do that one next. Oh man, that was awesome. We literally got in the pit 30 minutes later. Birds started coming in.
Yeah. I can hear one, but
Couldn't find one that had one.
Oh, looks like the snow's coming in. Saw a couple snowflakes.
yeah.
Ruben, you want some coffee? Isaac, you want some coffee?
No, I'm not gonna make it.
All right, I'll drink it myself then. Oh yeah, it's starting to snow.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good out in the pits. Oh. All right, we got another line coming in. The guys are calling.
I know, that's what they're spinning back. Oh, girl.
You want some coffee? Take a swig. Isaac, you want some coffee? They have buckets in the pits. Alright, I'll have to finish. There's a little bit left. It's starting to snow. It's so beautiful out here. That homie's having a straight up breakfast. Tupperware and everything. Look at this guy. Oh boy. Coming in. Alright boys. Getting ready. Get ready.
Kill him above you.
Oh. Oh.
Take her down there.
Oh, here. Deadbird.
We shot 4 just now.
I think
Got one for sure.
That guy got one. That's a big one too.
yeah.
That's beautiful. Basha, congratulations. All right. You guys are taking a break. We got one bird there. Flew away. It's starting to snow. Expecting a big snowstorm. Is that dead bird? Dead bird. 2 dead birds.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you follow up on it all.
These dudes are having fun, I think.
Like one of their dogs on Bird Dog of the Year and Bird Dog Magazine. He was one of the covers.
Hey, puppy. Still alive?
No.
Was it alive?
No, dead.
Dead?
Play it dead. Nice honker.
That's a decent sized one, too.
Yeah. Wouldn't have found her off the dock.
That's kind of where we're at. Nice view.
I'll present it later.
I just plug a extension cord right into the outside.
It's starting to come down right there. You can see all the
Yeah,
snow.
oh,
All
for
right,
sure.
let's take a peek and see what's
And
happening.
then I line up the floor.
Oh, that's right. Waiting for more geese to come in so we can throw some shots at them. The last pair We missed a little
I
high.
just did it myself, and it was fairly cheap and pretty easy.
Still a little warm, but hopefully start moving here soon. So. Dusty and windy. So I think we're finished for the day. All right. Still got about an hour drive, but we decided to stop by and eat. We're trying to beat the snowstorm that we were just driving in. Yeah, they did. They saw it. They saw the field. It was covered in snow.
Just the field. No,
Where's your orange?
I don't have orange.
China Star Buffet. Oh boy.